I'm Summer Green. I teach heavy equipment. Right now I'm in the early stages. I'm cubbing a powertrains class, so
cool.
Going through transmissions and torque converters. And
well, how does it feel to be the first female instructor at NADC?
It's pretty awesome. It's actually like more than a few firsts in my career that I've had thus far.
Very cool.
I'm super excited to be a part of this, and to be the first is just,
it's awesome.
Amazing.
Yeah, well, we're super excited that you're here. So what has it been like in the industry as a female heavy equipment mechanic?
It's been fairly decent. There's been, people that are against you. They don't see things eye to eye as you do, but I've had nothing but like good experiences and good support. So the good more outweighs the bad.
Awesome. What would you say your favorite job has been so far in this industry?
Being a part of the Traverse team in Antarctica.
Wow, that's awesome.
So I'm the second female mechanic to traverse across Antarctica with the team, and I did it twice. So
oh my gosh,
yeah,
so cool.
That's probably been one of the big perks.
What inspired you to go into this industry and work in this trade?
Well, my dad always had like old cars. Like he wasn't necessarily super mechanically inclined. He was more of an electrician, but I tinkered a lot, and as I got through high school, I just like saw all these old cars just sitting around, and I wanted to know how they worked, and I just got further into it and realized that it was something that I was really good at. So helping him get Jeeps running and all kinds of stuff.
What has been the most surprising part about being a woman in the trades industry?
The most surprising is being on such a small list. Like even though it's 2023, like you're still like there's still barriers to be broken and things to change. So being a part of like very few women who have done the jobs that I have done it's been surprising.
Yeah.
And I want to change that.
Right. No,
I want to bring more of that on. So.
And that goes into my next question. How do you think trade jobs can attract more female candidates?
That really like being a part of a very small list of people that have done it, like the bounds are endless. So
there's room for opportunity.
There's so much room for opportunity for women to advance into this, whether it's to meet a quota. We have that on our side. It's not always ideal, but there's still an opportunity to be hired on for your skills and for your skill sets and your experience beyond that. So there's just endless opportunities.
Yeah. What do you think is the most important change happening in the trades industry today?
The numbers are going up. Like more females are coming into this, and so I think that's a positive change for sure.
Definitely.
Another positive change is technology. Really, I mean, moving forward, there's more room for knowledge, which is great.
Very, very true. Well, and I guess my last question would be, what advice would you give young women today entering into this industry?
Just stay level-headed about it, and don't let the negative things outweigh the endless possibilities and the amazing things that can happen in your career.